In today's news, Bitcoin touches $21,000. Will it keep going up? Cardano price heads to 45 cents and will explode. Hong Kong seeks crypto-friendly regulation. Exchange FTX works on creating a stablecoin. Elon Musk takes ownership of Dogecoin. Binance launches amazing crypto service. Welcome to Crypto Space. In today's video we compile the most relevant news in the crypto world, so subscribe to be informed every morning. Bitcoin touches $21,000. Will it continue to rise? The bullish rally in the cryptocurrency market continues, although it has lost some steam. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, have advanced by around 1.5%, the former trying to reach $21,000. Yesterday it reached a high of $20,938, and the latter, $1,600. The world's largest cryptocurrency had not reached this level since last September 15, the date on which the merger of ETH was completed. The rally has allowed the cryptocurrency market to regain a market capitalization of $1 trillion for the first time since September 13, just a few days before the merge took place, largely due to the very high liquidation of positions in recent sessions. Is it possible that the rebound will continue? Naeem Aslam, chief market analyst at AvaTrade, believes that investors should temper their enthusiasm for a prolongation of the rally, as what we want to see is consistency in the momentum, and looking at the price action, it doesn't look like it's going to have that. Nevertheless, this expert stresses that, in general, the rally in cryptocurrencies occurs during these months, since when Bitcoin surpassed the $10,000 mark, it was in the winter months. Cardano's price is headed to 45 cents and will explode. Cardano's price is in a tricky place after its volatile move over the past 24 hours. Investors should be cautious not to enter the market late and get trapped. A better plan would be to wait for ADA to pull back to critical levels. Cardano price needs to cool down. The price of Cardano rose 12% on October 26 and cleared two crucial hurdles: the lower boundary of the range from $0.380 to $0.609 and the 30-day exponential moving average, EMA, at $0.393. This move signals the resurgence of bullish momentum and will likely propel ADA higher into the coming days. Although the outlook is bullish, there is no doubt that market participants should be patient and expect a pullback. Given that ADA trades between the 30-day and 100-day EMAs at 0.0000, 30-day and 100-day EMAs at $0.393 and $0.413, respectively, investors should pay close attention to Bitcoin. A pullback for the large cryptocurrency would translate into a break of the $0.393 level for the Cardano price and would be followed by a retest of the $0.393 or $0.380 or $0.413 support levels. Accumulating ADA at these levels would provide a better risk-reward ratio. Targets, however, would include $0.434, but a turnaround from this level would allow Cardano's price to move higher and revisit the 100-day EMA at $0.458 and the Fibonacci retracement level of the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $0.494. While things look good for Cardano price, a break of the $0.372 support floor will indicate that buyers are not committed. Such a development could lead to a daily candlestick close below the $0.348 level, which would create a lower low and invalidate the bullish thesis for the so-called Ethereum killer. Hong Kong seeks crypto-friendly regulation. Hong Kong definitely wants to move away from the policies China has implemented against cryptocurrencies and is looking for a much more open way of its own. Some of that we had reported last week when we told that the Securities and Futures Commission was working to allow retail investors to invest directly in virtual assets. And this comes on top of Hong Kong unveiling the prototype of its own central bank digital currency, CBDC, just this week. Highlights the media outlet that Hong Kong has a plan to legalize retail trading, in contrast to the city's skeptical stance in recent years in the prohibition in mainland China. Specifically, the project includes a planned compulsory licensing program for crypto platforms that will be implemented in March next year and will allow for the retail trading. It added that regulators are seeking to allow the largest token lists, but won't back specific coins such as Bitcoin or Ether, the people said, added that the details and timeline have not yet been finalized, as a public consultation must first be held. Exchange FTX is working on the creation of a stablecoin. Exchange FTX, an exchange headquartered in the Bahamas, which operates worldwide and is one of the largest, now comes with new information, which from an interview that CEO Sam Bankman-Fried gave to the Big Whale. According to his statements, FTX is working on the creation of a stablecoin, the exchange's own stablecoin. However, he did not give further details. The information is not on its website or social media for now. Currently, FTX offers margin trading that allows customers to use a basket of stablecoins in US dollars as collateral. The basket includes True USD, TUSD, USD Coin, USDC, Pax Dollar, USDP, Binance USD, BUSD, and HUSD. By having its own stablecoin, FTX would follow in the footsteps of its rival exchange, Binance, the one with the most transactions in the world, which began issuing Binance USD in 2019. He also indicated in the interview that FTX was not interested in acquiring the entire Robinhood business, even though Bankman-Fried bought a 7.6% stake in the retail commerce app in May. Elon Musk takes ownership of Dogecoin. The sink in question makes sense with the expression, "let that sink in," which is English-speaking and can lend itself to various interpretations, with perhaps the most appropriate for the case his entry as the new head of the company, or that he plans to deep clean, because of the changes he has in mind for the future of Twitter. Hand in hand with this video, Musk also made a small change in his Twitter account profile, where he now reports that he is the chief twit, i.e., the head of the social network. Social change in Elon Musk's Twitter profile. Business deal to be finalized this week. The recent developments come just one day after the Bloomberg news agency Bloomberg reported that Musk will officially finalize the purchase of Twitter, a transaction that will take place no later than next Friday, October 28. According to sources close to Bloomberg, the information was disclosed during a video call with representatives of major banks, in which Musk was looking to open a credit line for USD $13 billion to make the payment for the purchase of the social network. Let's keep in mind that Musk bid some USD $44 billion to take ownership of Twitter, and although this deal was about to be cancelled, the intervention of the authorities pressured the tycoon to finalize the purchase in question. Binance launches incredible crypto service. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange with the highest trading volume in the world, Binance, recently launched an Oracle service to facilitate the use of real-world information, which will first be available through BNB Chain for all decentralized applications, DApps, that operate on top of its ecosystem. Binance Oracle available on BNB Chain. As such, the new service is called Binance Oracle, and among the exchange's plans is that BNB Chain projects will be able to leverage this tool to optimize their products with real-time data of interest. While initially only projects operating on BNB Chain will be able to make use of this property, the team in charge has indicated that they will soon bring this feature to users of other networks. This feature to users of other networks, who will be able to incorporate this solution and market data regardless of whether they operate on different blockchains. A major assessment made by the Block media outlet is that Binance is officially entering the Oracle space, which, as of today, is the first time Binance has entered the Oracle space. Oracle space, which to date is primarily dominated by Chainlink, a network focused on this type of service that serves nearly 700,000 active users on many other blockchain networks. Other blockchain networks.